Y Vegas. Woo! One in Vegas. So just finished packing, grabbed all my equipment, my clothes, and just like that we are out. Homeboy Panqueque came through to pick me up. Woo! And just like that we're on our way to go meet them up at Westlake, so I'll catch y'all there. First one's here, time to wait for the gang, and hopefully it don't take too long. So quick gas station's pit stop. Boy Royce over here with the Subi, and then we got Hector pulling up. Woo! You gotta get the front end all taped up. Who came up in the daily? Who came up in the daily? Say what's up to the vlog. Long road trips call for extreme measures. Prep is always key. I can see. Heading out shortly. Y'all stay tuned. Quick gas pit stop. Pulled up to Chevron. Boy Panqueque. Boy Ricky over there. Pumping some gas real quick before we get a move on. The team posted. Hector over there posted on the block. Oh yeah, the tape's still there. The food's still covered, so we smooth. We chilling.
Which has me 85 here. I mean 91.
You mean 91?
Something 91.
Man. So yeah, we about to pump and get back on the road, and we'll catch y'all there. First pit stop and we're already out here. Man, we're not even in Vegas yet.
Usted no toma nada, bro.
Y Vegas. And we out just like that. What do you say to camber?
I don't like camber.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Quick pit stop. We're swapping out Hector's 3-piece wheels for his stocks real quick. Just so we don't waste up the tires. We gotta leave those ready for the show. Gotta keep these looking fresh and put these on. Quick swap, quick swap.
It's done.
Like Luigi says, pit stop. Back on the road. Let's get it.
I wanna do a eat, I need a meal. You can tell that I'm shining when you see the grill. If I bust your gut,
hey! And we are still 2 hours away from Vegas. Quick pit stop, lined up. Look at those cuties.
See?
Ricky says the gas is the cheapest in Las Vegas,
Bro,
so
cheap.
we're about to find out. Let's see how long that gas lasts. For Vegas! To Vegas we go. So we're about 30 minutes out from Las Vegas. All right, if y'all can take a quick close look at that. Vegas, we're here. And just like that, we have officially touched ground in Las Vegas. Post up, park up, get the game plan going, just because our Airbnb check-in isn't till later today. But you know, we need some rest, we need a game plan. When you can't hang. My hair is all messed up, but it's fine. We are actually posted up at a park. The whole gang's out here right now. Quick post up with the fools. Alright, so the move right now, we are on our way to a tire shop. Hector actually needs to fix one of his rear tires. I think air started leaking. So we're gonna hit up a tire shop, get that situated, and we'll check that out in a bit. So we just pulled up the Big O Tire. Let's see what they can tell us. Let's see what they can do. See if they can help us out. Let's see if Big O Tire comes in clutch with this one. Henry, let him know what we need. Some meat.
Yeah.
So I guess the tire actually started leaking on the way here. We need to get that situated before the car show. We got the stock one on for the time being till we actually fix that one. Someone come get they man, bro. Someone come and get they man. If you don't hug me like that, I don't want it. Gee! So Big O Tires was a bust. They said they don't work on stretch tires. So we're about to look for another location, see what we can find. Hey Groovy, is that you, bro? You out here in Vegas? No way. Second location, Discount Tire. Let's see if they can help us out. Huh? He's gonna check it out, see what's wrong with it, and then we'll go from there. Discount Tires was a bust as well. So we gave up for the time being. We'll be back at O'Reilly's to find a valve and then fix it ourselves. Woo! One in Vegas. One in Vegas, you gotta ride in style. Look at these. Ceramic brakes. What? God. Functional vents. We got the LP700. God, this thing is a beauty. Look at this thing. Look at that. Look at that. This thing is heat. Imagine pulling up. Just imagine pulling up. Look at that. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. The aero, the carbon, the interior, fire, straight fire. This is where it's at. This is where it's at. You cannot go wrong with this.
You need pancakes in your life.
Fuck no.
You need to soak up all that alcohol. I mean, apple juice.
Apple juice. So the move is stacks and yolks, recommended by yours truly, Ricky. So we're gonna give it a try and see how the food tastes. This is what it's at.
1, 2, 3, ¿está pues? 1, 2, 3.
Quick grub before the car meet. Eating good with the gang.
Sir.
We needed this little extension to be able to then fill up the tire. Stock one's coming off. Sponsored by yours truly, Milwaukee and Eduardo. Pit stop.
Eduardo, why don't you if it ain't Snap-on, you don't want it?
Out with the old, back with the new. Throwing these on. Pancake just tossed keys to the TRD. On our way to the tire shop real quick to fix up the tire. It's already fixed, but we wanna take precautionary measures. So we are on the way. Push start the whip. Leg out.
Okay, fix it right now.
So that's our culprit for the 3-piece rims. The seal's not good anymore, so that's the reason it was leaking air. At least we know now what it is. Probably seal it up ourselves. Quick pit stop to O'Reilly's Auto Parts to get some Fix-A-Flat. Aha! Fix-A-Flat. Let's go. And just like that, we are out. Got the kit for the compressor, the tire, the plugs, and the Fix-A-Flat. Drive at its finest in the rain. Sponsored by Subaru. Alright, so we just pulled up to the Airbnb. Cars are posted up. Quick tour of the house. Master bedroom. We got that. Bathroom. Los fans. So we got a couple rooms. Another room. The backyard. Pretty smooth. We got space for cars posted up, parked up. Bro, we about to jump in. Pancake is already dozed up.
Hella cool.
Honestly, I need to take a nap. Alright, well let's do it. So cars are all ready. We're about to head out to the car wash. After the car wash, we go straight to the strip because that's where the meetup spot's gonna be at. So Pancake, Hector, we got his wheel all fixed, so he's all set and ready to go. Boy Ricky in the back. Eduardo, he's still showering, so he's probably gonna meet us at the car wash. Royce over there. Back fitment looking pretty rad. Let's roll out. So I gotta guide them through the driveway just because it's a bit steep, but they are pulling out. We is moving. Next stop, the car wash. One car out, next one to go. God, street sweeper. Hector the street sweeper. So we just pulled up to the car wash. As you guys can tell, Ricky, his homeboy, and we got the gang in the back. They pulling up right now. So these guys, Hector's liking it. I don't know where he went. And Panqueque is also liking it. Getting down to it, yes sir. We got a quick lineup.
Navy shit.
Where are we?
La ciudad de las niñas.
Ah, huevo. Y'all just tuning in, this thing's getting live. That's all I gotta say right now. Clean. Dang, okay, bumper cut real quick. So we just pulled up to the Origin parking lot meet. There are definitely a bunch of cars out here. We got the crew behind me, and then we got a cool lineup. God, this thing is a beauty.
How many go get us that? Is it a fucking Audi? Yes.
Man.
I thought it was motorcycle. Same thing.
Martin, how do you feel?
Feels like a rental.
Hey, alright. A cool bit. We're actually kind of early right now. We got here early. Cars are still pulling in. Man. Woo. Okay, we got more pulling up. It's still early. It's definitely still early.
Number 12.
Went flat on the Vegas Strip. So we're getting the stock one back on. The tire went out. Like I said the first time, and like I always will say, teamwork makes the dream work. Stock tire, stock tire. Stock tire. If you need your tires fixed, hit up Eduardo. So our night actually ended up short just because of the flat. But with that being said, you know, it was a good night. Thank you, Las Vegas. Until next time, stay smooth, and we out.